So maybe you've been prototyping your game for a while and you've got to the point where you need to clean up the project and remove unused assets. So let's look at how to remove unused audio files, locate SFX objects that doesn't have a source, and how to locate unused game syncs. First off, head into the File Manager's Source Files tab. This is where you'll find the original sound files. Now notice the usage column. This shows you whether the sound file is being used in the project or not. And if not, you can right-click it and select Delete. Next, let's head into the Integrity report. This tool will help you clean up and optimize your Wwise project. Let's start by looking at the audio files and sources. We got a hit. Apparently, I have an SFX object called test without an audio source. So let's right-click it, find it in the Project Explorer and delete it. Now enable optimizations. Notice how we've got multiple game syncs that we're not using. But before we delete them, let's have a look. This seems like temporary stuff. But this one, the callback microphone game parameter, is used in the Wwise Adventure game to get the microphone input level. As such, you can delete the others, but not this one. Therefore, use the Integrity report to find potentially unused assets, but then evaluate every instance. That's it.